shells. You got shells. How you like them? You like them? Yeah. Okay, great.
Is that really my present?
Let me turn this light
Hold on, Abby. Let him turn the lights on.
Just a minute. Okay. Is it cold?
Okay, now try this one.
My new bed!
Oh, you want people?
Do you like it? And Grandpa made it.
That is handmade by your grandpa.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. You better give him a big old